Thanks to all the wonderful Aptera investors, my fellow Aptera reservation holders, and our Aptera curious friends for tuning in again. If you're planning on reserving an Aptera, please consider using my link below to save $30 on your reservation. In this video, I'm going to recap the 25th week of Aptera's Accelerator Program. My numbers are based on the July 21st, 11:08 a.m. update. Nothing I say in this video should be considered investment advice. I am not an accountant or a financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing, and investing, especially in a pre-production startup company, is very risky. Aptera is still looking for a large-scale investment from an institutional investor or a significant grant to start production. Even with the Accelerator program temporarily closed to non-accredited investors, their crowdfunding efforts continue to grow. Republic reports a little over $1.43 million raised, which is an increase of $4,830 from last week, and the Accelerator program has raised almost $19.53 million. This brings their total raise to almost $20.96 million. This brings Aptera's Accelerator program much closer to its original $20 million goal. With almost $470,000 to go, I'm sure they'll break $20 million when they reopen the program. After the crazy boost in investments last week, week 25 raised a little more than $117,000, but it did so in a strange way. This pie chart shows the cumulative amount raised by each week's group of investors. As you can see, there were no week 25 investors. Over $105,000 of the money raised was done by a week 24 investor. Breaking out the changes each week into a spreadsheet shows that only 5 previous weeks saw any change. Weeks 5 and 25 each added about $1,000, which is to be expected. Week 21 saw a loss of about $10,000, but that was balanced by an investor being added to the first week. But the big move is the investment of over $105,000 added in week 24. Week 25 makes history as the first week to see no investments at all. It seems like it will stay this way, as I've already seen an investor added for next week. Week 25 only added a total of 1 new investor. There were actually 2 new investors, but as I said earlier, week 21 lost an investor. This means week 25 brings the total number of investors to 1,342. Aptera added 1 prior new investor to the program, as it was a new investor that left the program. The percentage raised by new investors stayed at 45% of the total invested. The total raised from new investors is now at $8.78 million. The total added by prior investors stayed about the same at $10.75 million. The average invested per person for week 25, of course, was 0, but week 24 now has a crazy average of over $29,000 due to the single $105,000 investment. This boosts the overall average for the Accelerator program by over $660 to $14,452. There was no change to the top 15 Aptera vehicle spots, but the new investor jumped into the top 15 Accelerator program investors at number 7, but their $105,045 investment only got them to vehicle number 31 for now. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, like and share to help our channel grow. And below you'll find links to our website, Evolv-Electric.org, our Twitter and Instagram